Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain how saving works in Figma and how you can keep local copies or export your designs if needed. Figma automatically saves your work in real time to the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing progress. But if you want a copy on your computer or in a specific format, here's how. To save a local copy in Figma's proprietary .fig format, go to the main menu in the top left corner, then File, Save Local Copy. Choose the folder where you want to store it and confirm. Keep in mind that this local file won't include version history or comments. If you want to export parts of your design as images or documents, select the frame or layer you want to save. In the right sidebar, under Export, click the plus icon. Choose your format, PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF, and select the scale, like 2x for high resolution. Then click Export Name to save the file locally. You can also create version checkpoints within Figma's cloud history. Press Ctrl-Alt-S on Windows or Command-Option-S on Mac, or go to File, Save to Version History. Give your version a name and description so you can easily find it later. And that's it. Figma keeps your work safe automatically, but you also have options to export, save locally, or mark important versions whenever you need.